Every year, approximately 250 million new cases of malaria are reported worldwide, and nearly 1 million deaths result from this preventable disease. Approximately 90% of all malaria-related deaths are in Africa, and 1 in every 5 childhood deaths are due to the effects of this disease. The World Health Organization reports that 30 million people living in Kenya are at risk from malaria. In 2010, there were 200,000 inpatient malaria cases, and more than 26,000 people died.
But what if there's another way to prevent malaria? What if we could use one of Mother Nature's secrets to reduce the death toll of malaria while also supporting our ecosystem? What if we could use Avarca calicivora? This spider is found in regions around Lake Victoria and has a very unique diet. It actually prefers to feed on female mosquitoes who have had a blood-fed meal. This means that there's a spider living in eastern Africa that eats the host of a malaria parasite. If given the opportunity, Avarca calicivora could become the next form of vector control against malaria because it would reduce the number of mosquitoes hosting the malaria parasite, all while satisfying its own appetite. As the number of infected mosquitoes decreases, so does the number of new cases of malaria. This is exactly what we, the UW Spider Trio, propose to do. In order to use Avarca calicivora as an effective vector control, the spider would first need to be caught and raised in a laboratory to increase the number of spiders to a sufficiently large population that could be sustainable in the wild.
These populations will be introduced to villages that have a high risk of malaria and a similar environment to that of the spider's natural habitat. The people in these villages will witness a decline in the rate of malaria transmission as E. calicivora feeds off the ample mosquito population and decreases the number of malaria parasites able to infect humans. If 5,000 spiders are released, there are a potential 780,000 mosquitoes that can be consumed within 1 year's time, each mosquito a possible malaria transmission. Widening the scope of deployment to 5 years, E. calicivora can be expected to kill 3.9 million mosquitoes per village. By using a natural solution to solve a public health epidemic as opposed to inoculations and costly drug distribution, we can make a permanent impact on malaria and save the lives of future generations.